replace your seal, your oil seal right there. Always replace it right here. Always, guys, always replace your oil, the oil washer. Once you do oil change, guys, make sure once you do oil change, guys, make sure you put in a new washer. Remember, guys, remember to replace all seals like this. You see right here, it has like a ring. Remember to replace this one with a brand new one like this. So you make sure you put with a new one that doesn't have like depressions on it. Just replace this one. Just throw this one away. So throw that one away. Remain with the good one, and then you can put it in. This one in. Make sure you put a new one. Once you do that, then you can just lock it in. Yeah. Important oil change tip: once you tighten this one, guys, make sure you use make sure you properly tighten it. Once you do that, you avoid all oil leaks and oil dripping from here. You avoid that, you should be good to go. That's a good tip for today.